Be road trip ready with the DOMETIC TRT 140 Air. To give you the confidence and the ability to travel further and stay for longer, the DOMETIC inflatable roof tent includes features such as single point inflation, compact tri-fold design, integrated mattress, multiple storage points. Start by placing the roof tent onto the vehicle in position as required. Slide 2 of the provided bolts and plates into each corner of the roof rails. Next, attach the U-brackets to the bolts and secure with the fasteners and washers provided. Then, slide the rail stoppers on each corner and tighten the wheel nuts by hand. Finally, insert the end caps into the roof rails. Detach the elastic cord from the underneath of the roof tent to remove the protective cover. Unfasten the Velcro located on each corner and release the 2 side buckles. Now, extend the ladder and carefully pull down to unfold the first side of the roof tent. Then, locate the highlighted rods. Press down and pull to release the final opening. Then, secure the rods underneath using the Velcro tab. The TRT 140 Air includes the DOMETIC 12-volt gal pump. This should be used to inflate the roof tent. Locate the inflation point found on the front corner of the roof tent and insert the pump. Fully inflate to 9 psi. Once inflated, remove the pump and secure the top cover of the inflation point to ensure that no pressure is lost. Finally, slide the storage net into the channel and fasten the buckles under the baseboard of the roof tent. Begin by attaching the awning to the 2 buckles located above the doorway of the roof tent. Next, slide the KDAR beading either side of the doorway into the channel. Secure the adjustable straps to the underneath of the roof tent. Locate the inflation point found inside the awning and inflate to 9 psi. Once inflated, peg the 2 back corners of the awning underneath the vehicle. Finally, peg the adjustable straps on the front 2 corners. To deflate the roof tent, start by unscrewing the valve to release the air. Once deflated, fold the rear of the roof tent using the highlighted rods. Then, using a ladder, fold the other side in. Continue by retracting the ladder and secure into position. Now, fasten and tighten the 2 highlighted buckles together. Secure the 4 Velcro tabs located on each corner. Place the waterproof cover over the folded roof tent and secure the elastic cord underneath. With one of the most versatile and compact roof tents available, start your road trip sooner and experience more with DOMETIC.